Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to control the panorama and tilt full 360 view in the app of Xiaomi C302. So, if you are in your Xiaomi Home app connected to the camera, click on the view and the big screen. Then right here you have the joystick, and you can just click and hold, as you can see, to see the 360 view. Also you can go back or go upwards and downwards. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.